Way, hey, I was reviewing your Amazon listing and I wanted to start by saying congratulations on building your brand on Amazon. With a 5-star rating, this takes consistent effort. My name is Denise from my Amazon Guy, and my job is to find growth opportunities for brands on Amazon. And I noticed a few areas that could potentially help increase your visibility and overall sales. Let's start with this tool that we use to analyze keywords and looking at your keyword distribution. You're not running any ads, and that means miss sales opportunities because we manage hundreds of brands and found that ads are profitable when managed correctly. And also, your organic keywords could be improved as we don't want to see you missing SEO opportunities. We aim for a 1 is to 2 SEO to PPC ratio, and we call that the golden keyword ratio. Now, here are your word clouds, and these are the most important keywords on your listing. There are many more other keywords you could rank for, and more keywords means customers are finding your product. Also, I have here the highest search volume of keyword phrases relevant to your listing. You're not ranking for organically for the top seven, but you did rank on number eight. 207 for Marcel and 291 for Cream Eyeshadow. Now let's take a look on the search result. Now, as you can see, just for one keyword, cream eyeshadow, the first thing that you will notice are the number of ads on the page, and your competitors are advertising on this keyword. Even if you're ranking organically, customers have to scroll past a lot of sponsored products before they can get to the organic listing. That's why ads are so important for visibility. Now let's take a look at the size of this opportunity. This one keyword alone, cream eyeshadow, that's a total of $923,202 dollars monthly revenue, and that's a large market, and there's still room for you to capture more sales, and we could help increase your share of the market through SEO by utilizing conversion and click-through rate. Now, here are the brands that has the shares of the market, and mm, checking who has the highest sale or the highest revenue for the last 30 days, we can see here that Prime Prometics has a large number of sale. So let's visit their listing. And this is not to compare your products or your prices, but this is about learning on what's working with their strategy. As you can see, Prime has a total of 445 units sold for the last 30 days. They're able to do that because they are running ads and they have organic presence. Total of 1,027 keywords and total Amazon searches of 1.4 million. Now, we could help you bridge this gap. We could run a keyword gap analysis to your listing. That means we will find high volume keywords your competitors are ranking for, and we will add them to your listing. We will compare at least 10 competitors and focus on the keywords that consistently ranks well. Now, let's take a look on your strike zone. So your strike zone keywords are the top 20 to 50 organic keywords you're currently ranking for, and these keywords may not be performing well right now, but we'll love to move them to the top 10 to significantly increase your visibility and overall sales. Also, if you schedule a call with us, I could send you this keyword report. And there are a lot of places on your listing you could add these keywords into. You could add that to the back end of your search term, to your title, to your bullets, to your highlights, and to your A plus content. Adding the right keywords on this area could help increase your visibility and overall sales. Also, I noticed on your title that it's more than or above Amazon's new limit. Starting July 27, Amazon may automatically shorten it to just 75 characters, which could badly affect your SEO. The good thing is that the new top highlight feature could provide extra space to highlight your key features and benefits, helping making up for the missing title characters. Also, I noticed that you're using Amazon prescribed images on your listing. I highly recommend for you to add more of your photos here, like actual photos, like a photo of a human holding the camera, on the camera, holding your product. We can help A/B test images that and find what drives the most sale. And scrolling down at the bottom of your listing, I can see that you have great looking A plus content that showcase other products within your listing. This also gives more information about the brand and what are you working on, and as well as your brand story. I highly recommend for you to add like a product grid just like this. So a product grid will have like the listing of your um or the product within your brand. Like there is the review, the price, the quantity made of, like ingredients and their photos. So this is proven to increase average order value. And also your great looking A plus content could help you improve traffic. You could add 500 words of content on your A plus and add alt text behind each image. So each image will hold 100 characters of keywords. You could add French or common misspelled words. Great looking A plus content could also improve your SEO. And there are a lot of opportunities I'd like to discuss, but let me introduce you over to our team. We are my Amazon guy, and we are a full service Amazon marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and generated over 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team handles PPC, SEO, catalog issues, creative and brand protection. So if you're trying to increase your ranking, lower your ad costs or grow sales, we use proven strategies to help brands succeed. So if you find this video helpful, click on the link below and schedule a call with an Amazon expert and learn how we could help grow your sales on Amazon.